Hello everyone, thank you for joining in. So, as you know, this is the page. This is a great initiative by Tag the Artist Group. We conduct art session for underprivileged kids around the whole India. So this is a great initiative, and today we're going to learn some doodle bookmark. I'll show you the example. This one, today we are making this. Okay, you guys can just grab a paper and pen, or till the time you can also cut it down this bookmark piece. Then we will start the session. And in the end, if you like the session, then please do donate something. This is all this donation is to help them and their family for the underprivileged kids. So please do raise fund. The donation link is in bio, or you can DM Tag to Teach or Tag the Artist for more information. Hi, today we are making this bookmark. We will learn about the emojis, how you can create your own. So I'll start with eyes. If you see in real life, you will find this shape. Or any like this shape. So first we will break down into the simple shape, which is circle. Okay. Now we will see more exploration in this. What are the different ways we can draw eyes? This is one way. I may change the angle of it to get more expression. Okay. Now this is also one way of draw eyes. Like this. So what I am doing, I am showing you different ways to draw eyes. You can choose any one. And do let me know my voice is clear and the screen is okay. Is there any shuffle in the between? The oval shape. Okay. Now I'll see them. We can make even like this. So what we are doing right now, we are trying to see different ways to draw eyes. Okay. Might be you can join two circles. And in this I got one more variation like this. So what you have to do, you have basically bring down into the simple shape, then you have to explore that shape, then how you can make more eyes option in that. Okay, in the same way we will look into the mouth. So if you notice in real life, or if we see the real example, we find this shape. Now we will convert this shape into a simple form, which is curve. Okay, now we will see the example of this, and we will try to explore this shape to make more variation of mouth. So the first one, you can just add a longer curve, and then you can just add the tongue area. Okay, this is one way of doing it. A second way, you also think of some expression while drawing it, and you can make mouth expression of that. Okay, if you want to make a like we say na कि बड़ा चढ़ा के बात करना, something I did not get it in English, that's okay I think. So you can always express the emotion. Okay, now if I want to see more, might be I can use oval also. I might use this like this. So what I am doing, I am trying to play with shape to get something close to this. Or you can just make a normal, the basic curve shape. Okay, so what we are doing right now, we are just looking to different option. Thank you everyone for joining in. I hope you guys are enjoying the session. And if you, I just want to pin it somewhere that, like, if you enjoying this session or do you learn something, then please check out the link in the description below. Sorry, the description in the bio of the Tag to Teach. Okay, now we'll move further. And here I also want to share that I am a part of Tag or Teach. I'm collaborating with them from a very long time. I go every Sunday to teach kids, and to be very honest, the feeling is very good. You feel like you have contributed something. So just choose your way and try to donate something for the underprivileged kids and their family. Now I will combine both the expression eyes and mouth. Okay, and we will see what we come up with. So I just made a set of eye, and then I added a mouth. Okay, or you can add the same mouth with with the same mouth, and you can see what emotion you are getting with that. And you can always add some detail to it for better result. You can add eyebrows. Okay, and you can add some shape also, like here I am using the leaf shape. Okay, now we will look into different more example. Yes, Here I am playing with the eye shape, and I might add the same mouth to see the more what I am getting it. Okay, this time I might add the heart shape. So what I did, first I made an exploration of eyes and mouth, then I am adding both of them with the different shape, and you can go vice versa also. First you can make a shape, like here I am making a star, then you can add emotion in that. Okay, we look into more example. Like this one, this is the I have used half curve and a straight line and a small smiley face, and I'll add some organic shape to it. You can even add in a geometrical shape also. We will see some example. Like here I made a frame. Inside it I might add this cute emoji or expression like this. So the more you add, the more detailing you will add, the more funny or wicked or anything, any type of expression you will get. If you have any words, then let me know. I'll try to cooperate that. Like for example, here I am trying to make some balloon. Okay, we'll make a different, we will add some emojis to that. I'm using the same eye, this one, but I'll try a different mouth expression this time. So you can always try your different combination of eyes and mouth and see what you come up with. Okay. Like a sad one, or he's thinking what I'm doing here, anything. You can always relate with your real feeling. Okay. So now I'll be trying to add emotion like this in different objects. Like you can see the cup. Okay, I want to add in this one. I like this mouth in for this, or I might add a very cute eye, a small eyes. For my cup, and you can add some detailing to it. Okay, for example, if you draw a simple shape of pencil, then try to play around that. and you can add some pattern also to complete your doodle. Okay, I hope my voice is not breaking in between. Everything is clear. Now for the bookmark, you just have to take this white cut, a paper which is cut in the long rectangle shape. Then with the help of pencil, just first plan it out. Draw different types of shape. Any shape. We will add emotion in the end. Just try to add some shape. You can go and add some leaves also. I am not happy with this shape, so I might try again. Okay, like this. Just a random shapes. Like this. And if you feel like there's a space left, then you can add small shape. Like this. So my guideline is ready. Now I will draw some emotions inside it. You can use different eyes, different types of eyes in the same bookmark. Like you can use different type of mouth expression also. I hope it is clear. Here I am using oval eyes. And I'm thinking for a mouth like this one. Okay. So here I'm making all the doodles are happy. So you can choose your theme also, and you can make different expression also. And for smaller shape where you don't have much space, try to bring the eyes close and then draw them. So you can decide the size of your eyes and mouth according to the shape also. Okay. If you have a space left inside the shape, then you can add some character to it, like this. And here thank you Runway.threads. So you will be see your bookmark is coming. So my happy doodle bookmark guideline is ready. Now you can take any thin marker. Here I am using Micron. You can use any thin marker and just make your outline. Just ink your outline. First outline all the outer shape, then we'll move to the inside it. You can rotate your page so that you get a good hand of it. Like this. Now I will finalize my emotions. Try to use a thin marker here so that the detailing don't messed up. Can you see? Our bookmark is in halfway. We are almost done. After that, you can erase your pencil mark. Thank you everyone for joining in. So this is a great initiative taken by the Tag the Artist group. It is a social initiative for the Tag to Teach. So every day you will find a art activity here, and if you learn, if you like anything in that, then you can donate. There is no specific number you have to donate. You can support as per your comfort, as you comfortable. You will find all the details in the link which is there in the bio section of the Tag to Teach page, or you can DM them. See, we are just 2 steps are left. Now you can take any thick marker. Here I am using a random marker and make a outline of it. Try to leave a good gap so that there is a good white and negative, basically a positive and negative balance. After outline, your bookmark will look like this. Then simply fill till the end. As you can see in this bookmark, It will take a little bit time, but it will look good in the end. It will take a little bit time, but it will look good. Or you can use a thick marker. If you don't have a marker, you can use the paint also, a black paint. Okay, like this. You have to fill all the round, and you will get like this. Or if you don't want to do fill this black color, you can cut it down with the help of the scissor in this shape. So I need to do one more coat, but this is the process. You can uh, this is the process of making a bookmark, this type of bookmark. like this. So you can do more, one more layer of inking on the shape if you find it light. So we finally made our DIY bookmark, the emotion. So here I just want to say thank you, Tag to Artist and Tag the Artist Group and the Tag to Teach for giving me this opportunity. And I want to say to everyone, please donate anything which you like for the underprivileged kid. This is the campaign for to raise the funds for the underprivileged kid and their family. So link is in the bio. Please do check it out. Thank you everyone for joining in.